Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop the blue drop, who jewels got blocks, who's mostly Dolce down to the two top. The same old pimp, mace, you know ain't nothing changed but my limp. Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee a million sales, call it level up. You don't believe in Harlem, double up. We don't play around, it's a bet, lay it down. Didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem with the Goldie sound. Can't no PhD, hold me down, cooler. School me to the game, now I know my duty. Stay humble, stay low, blow like Hootie. True, we spin no dough on the booty. And when you yell, there go Mace, there go your cutie.
See me die than to see me fly. I call all the shots, rip all the spots, rock all the rocks, cop all the drops. I know you thinking now when all the ball is stopped. Nigga never home, gotta call me on the yacht. I sit and I'm bigger than the city lights down in Times Square. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No info for the DEA. Federal agents mad cause I'm flagrant. Tap myself and the phone in the basement. My team supreme, stay clean. Triple beam, miracle dream. I be that Lawson, jig on the cover of Fortune. 500. Here's my phone number, your man. I got the know, I got the dough. Got the flow down, pick that.
Checks, stay up out of debt, get them credit cards, run up on the boulevard, learning how to save and to invest. Money Math Camp, boy you know it is the best.
Money Math Camp, 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 Money Math Camp.
I had a great experience here at the University of Alabama at Mad Money Camp.
Thank you, Dr. Yates, for this opportunity. It was fun last year, and it has been a blast this year. I look forward to going next year. And also, thank you, Cheryl Sanders. You guys are awesome. Love you guys.
Thank you, Dr. Yates. This year has been amazing. One of the best years ever. Second year go round. We love you. We hope to see you next year. And we can't wait for Money Math Camp.
Thank you. you?
I'm looking forward to next year, and I'll bring about 8 of my cousins with me so they can enjoy this camp. It's fun.
Thank you, Dr. Yates. This is a really cool camp. I know these kids know you really made a difference in their lives. They've enjoyed their time here. You know, I'm glad I could be a part of this, and I look forward to doing it again next summer, hopefully.
Thank you, Dr. Yates. Thank you, Dr. Yates.